Apple TradingView free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to see the price of the Apple stock or the ticker symbol, open up TradingView.com and click right here under the search bar and type in Apple. You can click stocks or you can just leave it on all. We have the ticker symbol Apple by the NASDAQ, so click launch chart. You don't need an account actually to do this. I'm not even currently logged in, but we are now currently seeing Apple on TradingView. We can scroll out of our mouse and scroll in. As you can see, we're seeing more candle bars or sticks, and you can go to the right hand screen and scroll up, and I'm scrolling and I'm moving my mouse and scrolling up, and Apple is at 198.15. If you want to change the candlestick or the time frame, you can go to the top left hand screen and click next to the plus and the candlestick icon, and you can scroll down. As you can see, there's number of days, ranges. You can even go as small as the 1 hour chart, and you can see the candlesticks for every hour of the Apple ticker symbol. Bonus tip, go to the top right hand screen, click right here, and you can even see the current details of Apple, and you can scroll down the earnings, dividends, the performance of Apple, the technicals, etc., completely for free.